Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making a video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, 93rd video, there's quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called an outstanding physician solved the problem of diabetes. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how a famous scientist and a physicist escaped from a Soviet concentration camp. This topic, friends. Okay. So, friend, this is 135 number topic, and the name of the topic is how a famous scientist and a physicist escaped from a Soviet concentration camp. So, friend, let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Dr. Lothar von Blenth-Schmidt, a member of the Rocket Society and an outstanding research electronic engineer. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling Dr. Lothar von was a Bang Smith and a member of the Rocket Society and outstanding research in electronic engineer, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Gives the following condensed summary of how to use his subconscious mind to free himself from a certain death at the hands of the brutal guard in a Russian prison camp coal mine. He states as follows. So he is telling that how he saved himself from a Russian prison camp coal mine. He states as follows, friends. Okay, so let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, I was a prisoner of war in a coal mine in Russia. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that this person, in his versions, that he was a prisoner of the war in coal mine in Russia, friends. Okay, and I saw men dying all around me in that prison compound. So he's telling that he saw the men dying all around him in the prison compound where he was kept, friends. Okay, we were watched over by brutal guards. So he's telling that he was watched over by the brutal guard, friends. Okay, arrogant officers and sharp fast thinking commissioners. So there was arrogant officer and fast thinking commissioners, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. After a short medical checkup, a quota of coal was assigned to each person. So after a short checkup, friends. Okay, so a quota of coal was assigned to each and every person, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. My quota was 300 pounds per day. So his quota was 300 pounds per day. In case any man did not fill his quota, his small food ration was cut down. So in any case, if a person was unable to fill the quota, his small food ration was cut down, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. And in a short time, he was resting in the cemetery. So in this short time, he used to rest in the cemetery, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, I started concentrating on my escape. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that he started concentrating on his escape, friends. Okay, I knew that my subconscious mind would somehow find a way. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that he knew that his subconscious mind would find somehow a way, friends. Okay, my home in Germany was destroyed. So his home was in Germany was completely destroyed, friends. Okay, so this is a version of scientist which is telling what Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, my family wiped out. So his family was wiped out. All my friends and former associates were either killed in the war or were in the concentration camp. So his friends or all the former associate either they were killed in the war or they were in the concentration camp, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. I said to my subconscious mind, I want to go to Los Angeles. So he said to his subconscious mind that he want to go to Los Angeles, friends. Okay, and you will find the way. And he also said that you are going to find the way. I had seen pictures of Los Angeles and I remembered some of the boulevard very well as some of the buildings. So he saw the Los Angeles and he remembered the boulevard and some of the building very well, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Every day and night, I would imagine I was walking down Wilshire Boulevard with an American girl whom I met in Berlin prior to the war. So he used to imagine that every day he's walking down with an American girl whom he have met in uh, Berlin before to the war, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. She is now my wife. Now he is imagining that that girl is also my wife now. In my imagination, we would visit the stories, ride bus, and eat in the restaurant. So in his imagination, he would visit the stores, ride buses, and also visit the restaurant, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Every night, I made it a special point to drive my imaginary American automobile up and down the boulevard of the Los Angeles. So every night he used to go to the up and down of the imaginary boulevard of the Los Angeles, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. I made all this vivid and real. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic that he made all this vivid and real, friends. Okay, this picture in my mind were as real and as natural to me. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that this picture in his mind was as real and as natural to him, friends. Okay, as one of the trees outside the prison camp. So there was one of the tree which was outside the prison camp, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Every morning, the chief guard would count the prisoners as they were lined up. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling every night the prisoner would count the prisoners. The guard would count the prisoners when they were lined up, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. He would call out 1 2 3. So he used to call out 1 2 3 etc in this way. And when 17th was called out, which was my number in sequence. So when 17 was called out, which was his number in the sequence, friends. Okay, I stepped aside in the meantime. So he used to step aside in the meantime. The guard was called away for a minute or so, and on his return he started by mistake on the next man. So the guard was called away, and by mistake he started by mistaking the next man, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. As number 17, when the crew returned in the evening. So as the number 17 happened, and when the crew returned in the evening, the number of men was the same. So the number of the men was completely same, friends. Okay, and I was not missed, and the discovery would take a long time. So he was not missed, and the discovery would take a long time, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. I walked out of the camp undetected and kept walking for 24 hours. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that he walked out of the camp undetected and he kept walking for the 24 hours, resting in a desert town the next day. So he was resting in a desert town in the next day, friends. Okay, I was able to live by fishing and killing some wildlife. So he is telling that he was able to live by killing some fishing and wildlife, friends. Okay, I found coal train going to Poland and traveled on them by night. So he found coal train going to Poland and he traveled them by night, friends. Okay, until finally I reached Poland. So the up to the moment he finally reached Poland, with the help of friends, I made my way to Lucerne, Switzerland. So, with the help of the friend, he made his way to Lucerne, Switzerland. One evening at the Palace Lucerne, I had talked with a man and his wife from the United States of America. So, one day in the Palace Lucerne, he talked with a man and his wife of United States of America, friends. Okay, this man asked if I would care to be guest at his home in Santa Monica, California. So this man asked that if he could be the guest of him in the Saint Manico in California. I accepted, and when I arrived in Los Angeles, I found that chauffeur drove me along Shire, Bolviard, and many other Bolviards. So, and when he went to the California and he arrived in the Los Angeles in the same chauffeur Bolviard which he used to imagine, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic, which I had imagined so vividly in the long months in the Russia coal mines. So same Bolviard which he imagined in the Russia in the coal mines long back, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. I recognized the building which I had seen in my mind so often. So he recognized the complete building which he have seen in his mind so often, friends. Okay, it actually seemed as if I had been in Los Angeles before I reached my goal. So actually, it seemed that he was in Los Angeles before he reached his goal, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us on this topic. I will never cease the marvel at the wonder of the subconscious mind. So he said that I will never cease the marvel in the wonder of the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, truly it was a way we know not of. Truly it has way we know not of. So truly it was a way which they know not of, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's video, I've covered the topic called how a famous scientist and physicist escaped from a Soviet concentration camp. This topic I've covered. And friends, in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called how archaeologists and phalenologists reconstructed ancient scenes. This topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care, friends. Okay.